Welcome. If your Facebook suddenly switched to dark mode and you prefer the classic light look, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off dark mode on Facebook Web using your PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile photo to open the menu. From this drop-down menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps all the Visual U interface-related settings. Next, go ahead and select Accessibility Settings. This will take you to a more detailed section where you can adjust how Facebook appears and behaves on your screen. Now, inside Accessibility Settings, click on Display. This section controls the appearance of your Facebook interface, including dark mode. Here comes the final step. Look for the dark mode option. You'll see different choices available. Simply select Off to disable dark mode. As soon as you choose off, Facebook will instantly switch back to light mode, giving you the brighter, classic look. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on Facebook Web using your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features and changes.